Hi guys, it's me, and today we're diving into a pre-built gaming desktop that's clearly built for people who want top-tier power without spending days picking parts and assembling everything. This is the Y40 gaming PC, and right away it feels like a machine that's designed to deliver a premium experience from the start. The exterior design is clean and modern with a transparent side panel that lets you see the internal components. It strikes a nice balance between minimal and gamer-focused styling. The lighting is subtle, not overwhelming, and the internal layout is organized in a way that supports solid airflow. It's not just about aesthetics here. The structure actually helps maintain stable performance when the system is under heavy load. Now moving into the core performance. This setup is driven by the Intel Core Ultra 7 270K processor. This is a high-performance chip that's built for multitasking and demanding applications. Whether it's running the latest games, editing high-resolution videos, or managing multiple applications at once, the system feels consistently fast and responsive. There's no noticeable lag even when pushing it hard. On the graphics side, it features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of VRAM, which puts it in a very powerful category. This GPU handles modern AAA titles at ultra settings with ease. High frame rates, smooth gameplay, and excellent visual quality are all part of the experience. If you're stepping into 4K gaming, it still performs impressively well. Ray tracing enhances lighting and reflections, and DLSS helps boost performance while maintaining clarity, making the visuals look both realistic and fluid. The memory configuration includes 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,200 MHz. That's more than enough for gaming and heavy multitasking. It ensures faster data processing and smooth switching between applications. Whether you're streaming while gaming or working with large files, everything stays fluid and responsive. Storage is handled by a 1 TB NVMe SSD, which significantly improves speed across the board. Booting up the system takes just seconds, and loading games or applications feels nearly instant. This contributes a lot to the overall smooth experience of using the PC daily. It also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, so everything is ready to go as soon as you set it up. There's no need for additional installations or complicated setup processes, which makes it especially convenient for users who just want to plug in and start using their system immediately. When it comes to real-world usage, this machine performs exactly how you would expect from a high-end setup. Fast-paced competitive games run at high frame rates, large open-world games look detailed and smooth, and creative tasks like video editing or rendering are handled efficiently. It's a versatile system that works equally well for gaming and productivity. Thermal management is handled well thanks to the case design and airflow system. Even during extended sessions, temperatures remain stable, and noise levels stay within a comfortable range. This makes it suitable for long gaming sessions or work without distractions. An added bonus is the included gaming keyboard and mouse. While not the main highlight, they're useful for getting started right away without needing to purchase extra accessories. Overall, this is a high-performance pre-built that delivers power, speed, and convenience in one package. It's a great option for gamers and creators looking for a reliable system that's ready to handle current and future demands. If you're interested in picking one up, you can find more details and the latest pricing through the link in the description.